ACAD session 6, we're going to have a look at the rectangle tool and the offset tool. Used in conjunction with each of the rectangle and offset, enable you to kind of quickly knock out drawing plans, rapid style. We've got the rectangle shortcut we have is REC, and it always asks you for a start point. Generally I use the bottom left hand corner for this. So start there, and then you can either place the next point by a click of the mouse, or you can enter the dimensions using the keyboard, and therefore you can kind of quickly enter the dimensions of a room if you would. So in this instance I'm going to pop in a rectangle 5000, and then you put a comma to differentiate your width there from the height. So that's 5000 comma, and then by 8000, and that's our rectangle. It is just the comma that differentiates the two coordinates, I suppose. So again, rectangle start point, and the second point is separated again by a comma. So 5000 comma, say 9000, and that's your rectangle done. The offset tool is a kind of a copy tool. It works by copying an edge and just offsetting it by a specified distance. So keyboard shortcut is O for offset, and it asks us initially for the offset distance. So say you wanted to set the wall thickness at say 300 mil, so pop in 300, and we can select the wall we want to offset, or the object you want to offset, and then it will ask you specify point on side to offset. So which side would you like to offset? Would you like to go inside or outside? So I'm going to use this as an internal dimension, and offset, that's my internal dimension, is 5000 by 800, and the wall is 300 thick. So again, on this rectangle over here, we're going to go for say 400 mil thick wall. So if we go for O for offset, specify distance 400 mil, and we're going to click on our object, and then again outset, offsets outside. You can carry on going and create some interesting patterns, you know. It's kind of interesting. You can use it for all sorts of applications. So you could use it for kind of graphic design work, for laser cutting objects out, or depending what you want. Well, yeah, you're only limited by your own imagination there. Next, I think the next video we'll have a look at the trim tool and knocking some doors in these and having it go from there. Okie doke.